Janice is going out. Janice is going outside. She's got Harry's ski outfit on. What do we got there for
It's almost 2 feet right here.
2 feet right there. All right, Janice, thank you. Very bright out there. So I'm in the backyard with the storm. I think today's the 9th. We probably got 2 feet. And here's a small snowdrift. Okay, wait, let me try to get down below. You can see it here. I'm just trying to get the snow off of the jacuzzi. But it's not so bad now. I mean, the wind was whipping before. We're showing you again the back end of the house and then the snow drifts. You ready? Here we go. That's some snow drifts there. And then we got another snow drift during this one. Oh, I gotta watch my step here. Whoop. And more snow drifts. And then we're at that back door again. There we go. I'm gonna follow Sasquatch over here as she's kind of walking to the back of the house. Hello. I think you're still on like 2 feet of snow.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Icicles.
Icicles. All right, keep going. Make me a path, baby. Up over the mound. I want to see how low you get when you're in the, whoa, okay. Now we have Janice relaxing after she's worked so hard shoveling snow. Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
This feels terrific.
Feels terrific, good.